Welcome, everyone, to Transform Customer Support with Zoho Desk. Faster, smarter, and personalized service where we will be discussing Zoho Desk's omnichannel feature. We're glad to have you here, and today's session will be led by Wendell, one of our account managers. And if you have any questions during the webinar, feel free to drop them in the Q&A section, and Res, our solutions consultant, will be answering them as we go along. Wens, over to you.
Thank you so much, Lelaine. Hi, good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today in this session. We are actually more than excited to present Zoho Desk and focus on its omni-channel capabilities. And before we formally start, I'd like to share my screen, if I may. So just let me know if you're able to see it on your end. Um, can you see it clearly now, everyone?
Yes, it's visible.
All right, thank you. Thank you so much, Lalaine. So there, I'd like to welcome everyone to today's session. Thank you so much for sparing some of your precious time today. And we're gonna dive deep into the Zoho Desk's omnichannel capabilities. This is basically the key to delivering seamless, efficient customer support for our businesses. And before we get started, let me introduce myself. I am Wendell, one of the account managers here at DevTech, and I'll be guiding you through today's session. So today I'm also joined by an amazing team. We have here Rez, our solution consultant, who will basically help us in addressing all of your technical questions and questions about the features and capabilities of the Zoho Desk platform. And we are also joined here by Lalaine, our marketing officer, who basically helped us organize this very productive session that we are expecting today. So there, I'd like to start off with one of the few of the case studies that we have had we have done with our previous and existing clients. So basically, we can see here how our clients have had challenges in terms of how they handle tickets and their cases. And through the help of Zoho Desk, we were able to deliver positive impact not only to their business operations, but also provided growth to their sales as well. So I'd like to just quickly scan through this case studies. So we have done a few. We are showing a few of the case studies that we have done with our clients. And apart from that, I'd also like to show some of the testimonials that we also gathered from our existing and past clients. And we can see here how DevTech and Zoho was able to provide also positive growth and impact to their business operations. So our clients were able to generously provide us with these positive testimonials. Now, to go into the highlight of today's webinar, together we are here to give you an in-depth look at Zoho Desk's omnichannel capabilities and how they can streamline your customer support operations. So basically, omnichannel just talks about the multiple channels that can be integrated and seamlessly used within the Zoho Desk platform. And now I'd like to ask you something. How many of you here have had to juggle emails, live chats, social media messages, and phone calls all at the same time? So, participants, I'd like to ask if you could share or at least react or raise your hand as to with regard to this question. So, who among you here have had to juggle emails, live chats, social media messages, and phone calls all at the same time? Sige po, I'd like to hear your thoughts. Okay, there. So, I assume that it feels like a circus act, right? So, 1 second, you're here replying to a frustrated customer on Twitter. The next, you're scrambling to find an email thread from last week. Then, ding, a live chat comes in. And just like that, a customer call is waiting for you. So, it can be overwhelming, really. Now, imagine if all of these conversations, no matter where they came from, flowed into one unified place. No need to switch tabs, no hunting for past interactions, basically no stress. That's the power of Zoho Desk's omni-channel support. In the next 30 minutes or so, we'll show you how Zoho Desk helps you manage every customer interaction from a single platform. Whether it's email, chat, social media, or phone calls, we'll cover how Zoho Desk ensures no ticket slips through the cracks, how automation helps you respond faster and smarter, and how this makes life easier for agents and better for customers. Now, this isn't just about handling tickets. It's about delivering effortless, world-class support without the chaos. So now let's jump in and see how it works. Basically, at the first part of the presentation, we can talk about how ticket generation works. This is the very foundation of great customer support. Now picture this. A customer sends an email about a broken product. Another pings you on live chat. Someone else tweets a complaint. Without a proper system to handle that, these requests can get lost, delayed, or worse, ignored. Now, with Zoho Desk, every customer interaction, no matter where it comes from, instantly becomes a ticket in Zoho Desk. Emails, chats, social media messages, they will all land in one organized, easy to manage system. What you see on the screen is Zoho Desk's ticketing dashboard. Here, tickets are automatically categorized by urgency and due time. Agents can also track, prioritize, and assign issues with no confusion. Um, Generally, you will not need to jump between apps, which can be a hassle for some of us or most of us. Basically, everything is all in one place. This means faster responses, fewer missed issues, and happier customers. Because let's face it, customers don't really care how we handle their requests. They just want them to be solved. And with Zoho Desk, you can do that effortlessly within the system. Now, apart from the main goal of automating our ticket handling process, we do have two easy ways to generate tickets. One is manually, and the other is through bulk imports. You can create tickets one by one for personalized support, or just import records in bulk to streamline large-scale inquiries. Either way, Zoho Desk will ensure that every customer request is logged, tracked, and resolved efficiently. Now, imagine if a customer is visiting your help center. They are searching for answers, and when they can find one, they submit a ticket right there. With Zoho Desk, their request flows seamlessly into your system, just like those from email, chat, or social media. No matter where a customer reaches out, you can ensure that you stay in control, responding faster and delivering better support for your customers. Now, your customers are also talking about you on social medias. Given this day and age, social media has already become a part of our lives. It has become our lifestyle. Now, Zoho Desk makes sure that you don't miss a word from your social media sites. With auto conversion, tweets, comments, and direct messages instantly become tickets. So you can respond better to an issue before an issue even escalates. So from here, you can stay proactive, engage faster, and turn social interactions into a seamless support experience for your customers. Social media isn't just for marketing. I bet we will all agree with this. It's your direct line to your customers. Now, with seamless Facebook and Instagram integration, Zoho Desk brings real time conversations from social platforms into a single unified workspace. Whether it's a messenger chat or an Instagram comment, your team can easily engage, respond, and convert inquiries into resolutions, all without having to switch tabs. Now, email remains the backbone of customer support, of course, and with Zoho Desk, managing support inboxes has never been easier. You can centralize multiple email addresses across departments, automate ticket creation, and ensure no customer query goes unanswered. With email fetching controls within the Zoho Desk platform, you can have complete flexibility You can easily pause, you can resume, and add new support channels seamlessly into the system anytime you wish to. Now, you can also seamlessly integrate your favorite email system with Zoho CRM to ensure smooth communication. So whether you use Zoho Mail, Gmail, Yahoo, or Outlook, all your emails can be linked and tracked in one place. Now you can get real-time email status updates, know when your messages are sent, opened, and read. With advanced filters of Zoho Desk, you can also identify unresponsive leads, prioritize follow-ups, and boost conversions with strategic outreach. So now, while we focused on the first part of the presentation, we focused on email and social media. What are the other channels that we can seamlessly integrate within Zoho Desk? So now your customers aren't just tied to one platform. That is the very core of our webinar today to highlight the omnichannel capabilities of Zoho Desk. So with the platform's omnichannel capabilities, you can meet them where they are, whether it's WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, Telegram, Line, or WeChat. No more need to juggle apps. Just seamless conversations that turn support into stronger relationships. Now, your brand, your voice, right where your customers need it. With business messaging in Zoho Desk, you can customize your chat widget, assign agents, and provide real time support without breaking a sweat. Now, instant, personalized, and always on brand. That's how customer conversations should be. Moving on to the next one, you can stay connected with your customers on their favorite messaging app as well. With WhatsApp integration in Zoho Desk, you can respond to queries, convert chats into tickets, and provide seamless support all from one place. You can get real time engagement made effortlessly with your team. Now, you can also bring secure real-time conversations to your support system with Telegram integration. In case Telegram is one of your daily drivers in the business, you can just easily manage inquiries, automate responses, and provide seamless assistance all from Zoho Desk. No need to switch in between tabs. In this way, you can stay responsive and stay connected with your audience. Now expanding multi-channel messaging, Zoho Desk also seamlessly integrates with Line, complementing WhatsApp, Telegram, and other instant messaging platforms. Businesses can configure their Line accounts, automate responses, and manage customer interactions just as they do across WhatsApp and Telegram. With the messaging API, businesses gain enhanced control, allowing for real time engagement and improved customer support across multiple communication channels, all in one centralized platform. Now, building on this, Zoho Desk also supports WeChat, which is a very widely used platform globally. Just like WhatsApp, Telegram, and Line, businesses can also integrate their WeChat accounts, centralizing all customer conversations in one unified interface. Now, as one of the most widely used social media platforms, Instagram, of course, is an essential channel for customer engagement. Zoho Desk seamlessly integrates with Instagram, allowing businesses to directly manage their messages, respond to customer inquiries, and to streamline interactions from a single interface. Just like how WhatsApp, WeChat, and Line can seamlessly integrate within the platform, Instagram integration also ensures that businesses can stay connected with their audience on the platforms that they use the most. Of course, how can we forget Messenger? Just like Instagram, it is another widely used platform that businesses really rely on for customer communication. With Zoho Desk's Messenger integration, companies like you can just easily manage customer inquiries from your Facebook pages, ensuring quick and efficient response times. So this integration will basically transform your Facebook Messenger into a powerful support channel, allowing brands to engage with their customers when you are the most active. So basically, by unifying Messenger and the different social media platforms with one instant messaging system like Zoho Desk, we can ensure a seamless multi-channel customer support for our business. So that ends today's presentation, and I'd like to wrap up by saying that in today's digital landscape, customers really interact with businesses across multiple platforms, expecting quick and seamless support. With Zoho Desk's omnichannel capabilities, it will enable your business to integrate and manage conversations across a variety of instant messaging channels, ensuring a unified support experience. By bringing these channels together within Zoho Desk, your business can streamline your communication, improve your response times, and enhance your customer satisfaction. Thank you, everyone, for listening and engaging in today's session. And we are happy to take on any questions you may have. And by the way, this is just the first part of our series of webinars. And Lelaine here will be sharing more information about it from here on. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Wendell. So if there are no further questions or you would like a more in-depth personalized demo of Zoho Desk, feel free to reach us at info@devtac.com, or you have here Wendell at wendell.affable@devtac.com.
Yes, that's correct. So, in case you have any further questions, even after this session, we will be more than happy to address those questions for you. So just feel free to reach us out in any available channels that we have.
So we'd truly appreciate it if you could take a moment to share your feedback through our post-webinar survey, which you will be redirected to once you exit this webinar. Or you may also access the link in our Q&A section. And we also have another exciting webinar coming up on customer care with Zoho Desk AI assistance. So stay tuned for updates via email. Thank you, everyone, and have a great rest of the day.
Thank you, everyone. You have a great day ahead.